Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is identity card design in three different formats. Here is for Adobe Illustrator and here is for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Download for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this. Okay, open this. Here is front and back and front. You can edit. For example, open this one. I know you can do easily. I know you are expert, but I tell you, here is color option, and here is your image. Import your image, press Ctrl S, and your image automatically in this circle. Here is your name, your designation, and QR code, so you can pick or change. Okay, depend your own choice. Now, and here is okay, and here is the red color. Depend your choice. Okay, that's mean you can edit everything in Photoshop or in Illustrator. Here is APS files, and here is Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download the app for password. Take care, love.